There are a lot of rollers on the market for massaging your calves, your thighs, your buttocks, your back, but there is also ones that have power. Yes, and in my hands, I have one by Backmate, which is powered, and it is so cool, and look forward to sharing it with you. Now, I initially learned about Backmate for a product that I backed, and this is a product that goes on your door. An amazing product. This was invented by a professional motorcycle racer. His name is Eric Bostrom and his partner. And Eric used to deal with a lot of injuries from his motorcycle crashes, used to take a lot of different medications, got off all that, and he is just an inspiration. So Eric, thank you for the inspiration. So he's made, in addition to the Backmate, which has been a great success, started on Kickstarter, and has a couple of other products, including this one. This is a power roller. It's pretty heavy and it's solid and it's so cool. So I'm looking forward to demonstrating it to you. Eric did send it to me, and so I'll share with you, give you my unbiased opinion, and I'll also put a link in the description down below where you can get more information about it. And if you find this video of help, greatly appreciate a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, would love for you to subscribe to my channel. And of course, click that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So yes, so this is a smaller size roller, and they're very popular, as you know, for, again, massaging different parts. For me, I'm trying to use it more for my calves primarily, and so I'm going to demonstrate that. I want to show you how it works. This is the box it came in. Also, you have your power source for plugging in, and then it also has this start guide, so it shows you a number of different ways that you can use it, and it's also got some safety information and all that good stuff. Just real briefly, let me just share with you some of the specs. So this size is 12 by 6. It takes 60 minutes to fully charge, 120 minutes of battery life depending on use. It does get a max speed of 4,500 RPMs, and it has 5 variable controls. One of the other things which is very cool as well, it does have a USB connection on the back, so you can use this to charge your phone. So that's very cool. So on the front, let me move in a little bit. So on your front here, you've got all your controls, you've got your on and off switch, and then on this side, it shows you your battery life. So you can see that there. And then in the middle is the power. You press it once and it's on. Now you can hear it. This is 3, 4, and 5, and this thing really vibrates, and it's so cool. It gives you a whole different experience when you're massaging with the vibration versus just having a roller without it. And I'm going to go ahead and press it again, and it goes back to 1. Now, by the way, if you're in the middle of 1, and let's say you're at level 3, you hit the switch, it turns it off. You turn it back on, it turns it on. So now this is a little slick, the floor, but I'm not going to probably put it all the way up. Oh, I guess I'll put it up to so you can see at level 5, but I'm going to go ahead and put this under my leg. Now, as far as, by the way, the firmness, it is a bit more of a firmer roller, but it seems really well constructed. And so, so there again, there's the middle button. I'm going to go ahead and put this over my calf, and I'm going to turn it on. And you can see how this thing really can move. So my suggestion is you want to find like a carpeting or a good rubberized material. It seems like it's sliding on this mat here. So let me go ahead, and there we go. And it really feels nice. It massages that body part that you want to massage while using it. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it up more. And it feels good. Now, depending upon your neighbors, they may hear it, but it feels so good. And again, it's a great way to massage your body using the vibration. Now, I think once, I'm going to put it all the way up to 5 here. I'm going to put pressure so it doesn't slip and slide. Let's see if I can get it to go. It's very slick here. Hey, there you go. So that feels so good. So you're really getting the benefit of massaging the calves or that body part and the vibration. So it's great. And then of course you can use this as it shows on the chart, so many different body parts. This is also good. Eric has shown for the hip flexors, which is something that I can use. Again, your back, your glutes, and some of your calves, which I just shared, your foot. This actually feels really good on your feet if you want to just massage your feet with that vibration as well. So all in all, it's a really nice product. And again, I'll put a link in the description where you could check it out and see some of the other reviews and take advantage of a roller like this as compared to a traditional roller that does not have that vibration, which is so cool. So Eric, thank you for sending it to me as always, my friend. And definitely gonna take advantage. I'm really trying to loosen my calves, my hammies a bit and use it for that. But I wanted to at least share a little bit with you about it. So if you are looking for a roller, think about getting one that is powered and you can take advantage of that. Massage and roll at the same time. Have a great day, stay healthy. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.